welcome to this week's video. This week's video is supposed to be a week in the life. However, Monday and Tuesday just didn't seem like I was doing enough and the footage didn't seem right. So I've skipped straight to Wednesday. So yeah, it's just Wednesday, Thursday and Friday in this video. So hope you enjoy that. Yeah, so subscribe, like, do all that fun stuff. So it's Wednesday today and I'm going to show you my plan. I don't think I'll be able to do much this week because I've got work tomorrow and I could probably do stuff on Friday. So for someone who has a humongous fear of insects, like spiders and such, cobwebs there. So basically I want to turn this into my own gym. Because why not? There's room for stuff. Not much, I won't lie. There's not a lot of room in here. But that's terrifying me. Oh my god, I'm scared to look up. I'm scared. I've got my head all the way up because my biggest fear is things getting in my hair right now. There are cobwebs everywhere. Cobwebs mean spiders, which I don't like. I'm not keen on. Oh, it's my shadow. On spiders. Yeah. But I'm just getting rid of all the main cobwebs. These on the window. I don't know what I'm doing with those, if I'm honest. Like, they look like they're stuck. Oh, that's a big one up there. Look. This is like, this is gonna be a process. So I'm just planning on moving things now. I want to clean the window, like proper scrub it. Yeah. Today consisted of, you right? So today consisted of basically cleaning out the side, like moving everything which is by the window over to the other side. And then well, there's still stuff under there, but like I use stuff to climb up to like bleach the windows. Like people like, don't use bleach, but I'm like, the fact that I'm using bleach makes me a bit more happier. Like I feel like everything is dead that shouldn't be in there. So I used bleach. And then, yeah, bleach, hot water and like kitchen spray to like, there was just so many spiders and stuff and I'm just not a fan of that. So it took me like confidence. Tomorrow I've got work, so I won't be able to do anything. But Friday will be a full day and I've got the girls helping, which will be good. So yeah, live, laugh, love that. The rabbit's gonna help as well, aren't you, love? Sit. The weather is as literally as my polar is me at the moment. But while the sun is out, I think I'll show you what I'm bringing filming because gotta work. Is my makeup okay? Not really, but I'm in the background, so it doesn't really matter. Yeah, so I'm gonna wear this because I think this is just a basic little rave outfit. I don't really go to raves. Rave. My room's a mess, but so am I. So it's like the aesthetic I'm going for. I thought I'll bring my pink flares. This top is super cute, I think. I don't really want to wear it, so I just brought it and hopefully they don't make me change into that. As well as this, because I don't know how ravey we're going, like party moody. So I just thought if I wear a basic outfit and I've got like really pink blush going on, yeah, I'm cold, you can tell. My hand's literally purple. Fab. I actually haven't put deodorant on yet, so let's probably do that. Just chuck a jumper on because I'm going to be on the underground and all that fun jazz. The hair, I'm happy with the hair. It's making me like my fringe now. Yeah, I literally look like a cartoon character, the amount of makeup. It's not even blended nicely. Oh, and I did lashes, woo! I'm literally the worst with sticking on lashes, so the fact that I've even got these on is like gold star for me. just quickly we're just at the range now. We've had a good day, good sesh today. Good
sesh.
Good day.
And the dump was closed.
Oh yeah, the dump was closed.
Yeah.
But we went to home base, and I know what colour
because
I want,
of
but we're gonna do
copyright,
painting
I
first.
can't keep the audio in from this moment because we're just listening to music, vibing, as we were getting everything ready. As you can tell, you know, like when you're doing it with people, it just makes it more fun. And yeah.
That's the way it was. You was good on the low for a favor. I'm so faded love. Shit, what the fuck you complaining for? Feeling jaded up. Used to trip off that shit I was kicking to you. Had some fun on the run, though I give it to you. But baby, don't get it twisted.
So this is like the end of the video, but I just wanted to show you, we put all of the stuff that we think we should keep on one side and took a bunch of stuff to the dump, and then my dad's going to bring the van home, and then we're going to just chuck out once he's gone through his stuff. So maybe there'll be more room. I hope so, because then I don't have to divide it off as much. But we definitely need to sort the roof out and everything, because I don't want no creepy crawlies crawling into my hair while I'm like trying to work out. Yeah, so that's pretty much this. So I'm going to close out the video here. I'm going to do more updates on the gym, so look out for that, and thank you for watching.